Jonah, today is the day. We're going to try the MRT for the first time. And honestly, I feel a little nervous. What if we don't know how to buy the ticket or go the wrong way?
Yeah, I feel the same. But don't worry, we're going to figure it out together. Today, we'll learn how to use the ticket machine, find the right train, and travel like locals.
And maybe make a few funny mistakes on the way. I just hope we don't get lost underground. That would be a little scary.
If we get lost, it's okay. We'll ask for help. Practice our English and learn step by step. That's the fun part of traveling, right?
Exactly. So today, we're going to explore the MRT, ride the train, and see if we can reach our destination successfully.
Will everything go smoothly, or will we miss our stop and panic a little?
Let's find out together. Good morning, Jonah. I feel much more energetic today. Yesterday was fun, but I was really tired at the end of the day. Today, I want to try something different and maybe a little more local.
Good morning. I feel the same. Yesterday, we walked a lot and used a taxi, which was easy, but today, I think we can try something new and more interesting.
Yes, exactly. I don't want to just travel like a tourist. I want to experience how people here really move around the city every day.
That's a great idea. In that case, we should try public transport. I've heard that Singapore has a very good train system.
You mean the MRT, right? I've seen the name before, but I don't really know how it works.
Yes, the MRT. It's like a subway or metro. Fast, clean, and easy once you understand it.
Okay, I feel excited, but also a little nervous. What if we don't understand the system?
Don't worry, we'll figure it out step by step. And if we get confused, we can always ask for help.
All right, let's do it. Today, we learn and explore. Before we go, can you explain a little more about the MRT? I want to feel more prepared. I don't want to stand there and feel completely lost.
Sure. So the MRT is a train system that goes all around the city. You can travel quickly from one place to another without traffic.
That sounds really useful. Is it easy to use for beginners like us?
I think so. There are maps, signs, and machines to help you, but the first time might feel a little confusing.
I think I understand. So first we need to buy a ticket, then find the correct line, and then get on the train, right?
Yes, exactly. And we also need to listen for the stops carefully so we don't miss our station.
Oh no, listening is always a little difficult for me. I hope I don't miss it.
It's okay. We will check together. We can look at the map and count the stops if needed.
That makes me feel better. I think learning like this is actually fun.
Yes, real-life practice is the best way to learn.
All right, I'll get my bag ready. I'll bring my phone, some water, and a little money just in case. I don't want to forget anything important.
Good idea. I'll also check the route on my phone before we leave. That way we have a basic plan and don't feel completely lost.
Do you think we should use cash or card for the ticket? I'm not sure what the machine accepts.
I think we should bring both. Sometimes machines don't accept all types of payment, so it's safer to have options.
Yes, that's smart. I don't want to stand there and not know what to do.
Exactly. Preparation makes everything easier.
Okay, I'm ready now. I feel a little nervous, but also excited to try something new.
Same here. Let's go and see how it works in real life.
Excuse me, good morning. Can you help us, please? We would like to go to the MRT station, but we are not sure where it is.
Good morning. Of course. I'd be happy to help you. The nearest MRT station is very close, only about 5 minutes away.
Oh, that's great. So we can walk there easily, right?
Yes, it's a simple walk. Just go straight outside, then turn right at the corner. You will see the station entrance.
That sounds easy. Thank you for explaining it clearly. This is our first time using the MRT, so we were a little unsure.
No problem at all. It's very easy once you try it. Enjoy your day.
Thank you. We will.
I like this morning walk. The weather feels nice, not too hot, and the streets are not too crowded. It's a good start to the day.
Yes, it's very comfortable right now. I think we chose a good time to go out.
Do you feel nervous about using the MRT, or are you confident?
Maybe a little nervous, but also curious. I like learning new things like this.
Me too. Even if we make a mistake, it will be a good story later.
That's true. Our first MRT mistake.
Let's hope we don't get too lost. Wow, look at the station. It looks so clean and modern. I didn't expect it to look this nice.
Yes, everything looks very organized. I can see clear signs and directions everywhere. That makes me feel more confident already.
I like how everything is easy to read. Even for beginners, it doesn't feel too confusing.
Yes, good design really helps people understand quickly.
All right, let's go inside and find the ticket machine. I'm ready to try. Okay, here we are. This must be the ticket machine. But there are so many buttons and options. I'm not sure where to start. It feels a little confusing at first.
Yeah, I see what you mean. There are different screens, maps, and buttons. It looks simple, but also a bit overwhelming when you don't know what to press.
I don't want to press the wrong thing and make a mistake. What if we choose the wrong ticket?
It's okay. Let's take it slow. We can read each step carefully. There's no need to rush.
All right, I see a map on the screen. Maybe we should choose our destination first?
Yes, that sounds right. Let's try to find where we want to go on this map.
I still feel unsure. Maybe we should ask someone before we make a mistake.
Excuse me, sorry to bother you. Can you help us use this ticket machine? It's our first time using the MRT.
Of course, no problem at all. Where would you like to go?
We want to go to the city center, but we are not sure how to choose it here.
It's very easy. First, you select your destination on the screen, then it will show you the price. After that, you can pay.
Oh, I see. That sounds much simpler now.
Yes, thank you for explaining it step by step. We were a little nervous. That's normal. The first time is always a little confusing, but you'll get used to it quickly. Thank you so much for your help. We really appreciate it. All right, let me try now. I'll press this destination. Yes, I think this is the correct one.
Yes, that looks right. And now the price is on the screen. That was easier than we thought.
I'll pay with cash. Let's see. Okay, I put the money in.
And now it's processing.
Oh, it's giving us the tickets now. That worked.
Nice. We did it successfully on our first try.
I feel proud of us. It wasn't as difficult as I expected.
Yes, sometimes things look harder than they really are.
So, how do we go inside? Do we just walk through?
I think we need to use the ticket here at the gate. Look, people are tapping their cards.
Okay, let me try. I'll tap my ticket. Oh, it opened.
Great. That means it worked perfectly. Now it's my turn.
This is actually fun. It feels like we are learning step by step.
Yes, and now we are officially inside the MRT system.
Oh, wow. There are many lines and directions here. Now I feel confused again.
Let's not panic. We can check the map on the wall. It shows all the lines and stations clearly.
Okay, we are here and we need to go there. So, which line is that?
I think it's the blue line. We need to follow the signs for that line.
Oh yes, I see the blue signs now. That makes it easier.
Good. Let's follow the signs step by step.
I really like this place. Everything looks so clean and organized. People are standing in line and no one is pushing. It feels calm and comfortable.
Yes, I noticed that too. Everyone is waiting patiently. It makes the environment feel very peaceful. I think this is why public transport here is so efficient.
I also like how clear the signs are. Even though it's our first time, we can still understand most of it. That makes me feel a little more confident.
Exactly. At first, I was worried we would get lost, but now I feel like we can manage. We just need to stay calm and pay attention.
Do you hear that sound? I think the train is coming.
Yes, I hear it too. It's getting louder. This is exciting. It's our first MRT ride together.
I feel a little nervous, but also excited at the same time. I hope we don't make any mistakes.
Even if we do, it's okay. That's part of learning. Let's just enjoy the experience.
Wow, it's even nicer inside than I expected. It's very clean and there's a lot of space. I thought it would be crowded.
Yes, and the air feels cool and fresh. It's very comfortable compared to other public transport I've used before.
Let's stand here and hold the rail. I don't want to fall when the train moves.
Good idea. Safety first. The train might start moving suddenly.
Oh, it's moving now. That was very smooth. I almost didn't feel it.
Yes, it's very quiet too. I like that. It doesn't feel stressful at all.
I'm glad we decided to try the MRT today. It's a new experience for both of us.
Me too. And it's also a good chance to practice English in real situations.
Jonah, did you hear the last announcement? I didn't catch the name of the station.
I heard something, but I wasn't paying full attention. I think I missed it too.
Oh no, what if that was our stop? I feel a little worried now.
Let me check the map above the door. It shows the stations.
Okay, I'm trying to follow it, but I'm not sure where we are right now.
Wait, I think we just passed one station. That might have been ours.
Oh no, really? I knew I should have listened more carefully.
Hey, it's okay. Don't blame yourself. It's our first time.
I just feel a bit stressed. I don't want us to go too far away.
Relax. We can fix this. Missing one stop is not a big problem. Let's think clearly. The best thing to do is get off at the next station and check again.
Yes, that makes sense. At least we won't keep going further in the wrong direction.
Exactly. And once we get off, we can look at the map or ask someone for help.
I feel better now that we have a plan. When I didn't know what to do, I felt nervous.
That's normal, but you handled it well. You noticed the problem quickly.
Thank you. I'm trying to stay calm and think step by step.
That's the best way to travel in a new place.
Okay, the train is stopping. Let's get off here carefully.
Yes, watch your step. There are many people getting off too.
All right, we're out. I already feel less stressed now.
Same here. Now we can take our time and figure things out.
Let's move to the side so we don't block other people.
Good idea. Now let's find a map.
Excuse me, sorry to bother you. Can you help us? We think we missed our stop.
Sure. Where are you trying to go?
We want to go to the city center, but we think we passed it already.
Ah, I see. Don't worry. You only need to go back one station.
Oh, really? That's not far at all.
Thank you so much. Your explanation is very clear.
Yes, thank you. We feel much more confident now. I feel much calmer now. It wasn't a big problem after all.
Yes, sometimes we worry too much, but the solution is usually simple.
I think this experience helped me learn a lot. Now I understand how the system works better.
Exactly. Next time, we won't make the same mistake.
And even if we do, we know how to fix it.
That's right. That's how learning works.
Okay, I'm watching carefully this time. I don't want to miss it again.
Me too. I'm checking both the map and the announcements.
Yes, this is our station. I'm sure this time.
Great. Let's get off quickly but carefully.
We did it! Even with a mistake, we arrived at the right place.
Yes, I feel proud of us. We didn't panic and we solved the problem together.
Okay, let's tap our tickets and go out.
All right. Done. That was easy.
Today was really a great experience. At first, I felt nervous and confused, but now I feel confident.
Yes, we learned so many things. How to buy tickets, how to read maps, and how to solve problems.
And also, how to stay calm and ask for help politely. That's very important.
Exactly. If you're learning English, don't be afraid to try real-life situations like this.
Mistakes are okay. They help you learn faster.
And every small success gives you more confidence.
See you in the next episode. If you enjoyed learning English with our MRT adventure today, don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends who are also learning English.
And if you want more real-life English conversations like this, simple, practical, and fun, make sure you subscribe to our channel so you don't miss the next episode.
Next time, we'll try something new and exciting again, maybe another adventure in the city.
Also, tell us in the comments, have you ever used a train or MRT before? What was your experience like?
We'd love to read your stories and learn together with you. See you in the next episode.